Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with my audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues, right, guys? Everybody is able to listen to me properly. Good, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, how are you guys? Is everybody all right? How are you guys? Is everybody all right? Good evening, everyone. Yes, Devi. Is everybody all right? Did everybody had a good time? Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So, let me know, guys, what have you studied in our previous class, guys? Please let me know. What have you studied in our previous class, guys? Please let me know, guys. Just a quick revision. What have we studied in our previous class, guys? Please let me know. We studied about div tag, good. We studied about classes and IDs. We studied about relative measurements. We studied about percentages, good. Anything else, guys? Anything else that we have studied in our previous class? EM, good, guys. We studied about VW as well, right, guys? Viewport width. We studied about viewport width as well, right, guys? Please let me know. Okay. So, did you guys understand everything that we have learned in our yesterday's class, guys? Please let me know. Did you guys understand everything that we have studied in our yesterday's class? Please let me know, guys. Good. Guys, see, if you miss out on one attendance in the entire 7 days, it's fine. We'll take care of it. You will still get your certificates. If you miss out on 1 days of attendance in the entire 7 days, you will still get your certificates. So please don't worry about it. Okay, please don't worry about it. Focus upon your classes, guys. Focus upon your classes. Okay. Good, guys, amazing. So today what we are going to do is we are going to study of about our new topics. That is, see, there are two three things that we need to focus upon today. The first thing is understanding how a house is built. Okay, I know that is has little to no like relationship to building a particular like website, but you will soon understand it. Okay, you will soon understand it, guys. Okay, like I said, guys, we will try to understand how to build a house. That is our aim, guys. Okay, what do you mean by building a house? You will be able to understand it once we start learning. Okay, so that will be our aim, guys, how to build a house. And I know that you guys will be are very smart. You will be easily able to understand it and relate it to a website. So yesterday we saw how to create a school and organize a annual day function in that school, right, guys? You guys remember? Yesterday we saw how to create a school and how to organize an annual day function inside of it. So just think, how are we going to build a house? Okay. So today we are going to build a house, guys. And it will be very easy. I know you guys are very smart. You guys will be easily able to understand it as well. I have full trust in you guys. Okay. Good. So shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Good, guys, amazing, amazing. So let's get started right over here, guys. Let me go to our let me first print it out, pop this out. I will make this on the side. I will bring my color on the right hand side. I'll make this done. the black paintbrush. Okay, so let's think about building a house, guys. Let's think about building a house. So this is the land. First of all, you need a land to build a house. You cannot build a house inside of the air. Okay, you need a land to build a house. We are not making heaven. We're trying to make heaven on earth. Okay, so first you need a land. So first we'll buy a land, right, guys? First we'll buy a land. This is our land, guys. Right over here, we are having our land right over here. Okay. When we'll be starting our clone over, first we'll understand the basics. On the 7th day, we'll be doing the clone. On the 7th day of the bootcamp, we'll be having our project. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. That is how it happens. First 6 days, basics, understanding the topic, so that when you're doing the project, you're not asking me, sir, what is this div tag? Sir, what is this class? Sir, what is this ID? Sir, what is CSS? How are we connecting it? I don't want questions like that. First 6 days, basic, and then on the 7th day, project. Okay. So right over here, we have bought our home. Okay. We have bought our home, guys. Now, once you have purchased your home, then what are you going to do? Are you going to build the entire house on this entire rectangle, on the entire plot itself? Are you going to do that? Please let me know. Are you going to build the entire house on the entire land itself? No, right? Then that is a bullshit idea. Okay. You need to have some garden around your house. You need to have a wall around your house itself to protect yourself. Okay. You need to have a road around your house. All these different stuff that you need to have. Okay. So what will you do? What you will be doing is you will be building, you will be taking out a small portion of the land itself. For example, this particular portion. And this is where your house will be built. This is where your house will be built, guys. Then you will be using some area of the land at the very border itself. So this land area at the border, wherein you will be building your wall, right, guys? You want a wall around your house or not? You want a wall around your house or not? You want a wall around your house that is going to protect you from maybe animals or maybe intruders or robbers that are going to enter into your property. So build a wall around your house as well, right, guys? So this is your wall right over here. And then in between the wall and your house, you're going to make your garden. This is an open space where your dogs can roam freely, or if you don't like dogs, then go, your kids can roam freely. Okay. So right over here, like some gardens, some trees, some ponds that you will be able to do it right over here. Right, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So this is how you will be building your house, right, guys? So on the land, so you cannot build your walls on a neighbor's land, right? The wall that you want to build, you cannot build it on your neighbor's land, right? You have to build it on your own land. Okay, it is not possible that your neighbor will be like, yeah, no issues, you can use my land. I paid for this particular plot. You can use my land to make your wall. Okay, he will kill you if you try to do that, because land in like places like Mumbai and Delhi and Bangalore will be very costly. They won't allow it. Okay, so what you will have to do is you will have to create your walls on your own land. Okay, on your own land itself, guys. Okay, the second thing that you have to mention is, now what will happen. Okay, would you like let me make a rectangle right over here. Do you want your house to be surrounded by like other house plots like this, like another house right over here, one more house right over here, one more house right over here as well, one more house on here, one more house on here? Is this how your land should be looking like? Okay, this is one house, this is also 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 one house, one house, one house, one house. Okay, will this be something that you will be interested in? No, right? You want some space around your house. How are you going to get into or outside your house? There's no road. There is no road around your house itself. How are you supposed to enter in? Now, if you are very rich, If you're very rich and you be like, sir, I will just have a chopper, I will get a helicopter and it will just like pull me out from my house and take me away, then dude, best of luck for that. Okay, you don't have space to land your helicopter as well. But you ideally you need some area around your house to have roads, right? So that you are able to get into your house or get out of your house, or at least have some breathing space itself. Now this road will be utilized by everybody that is around your house. Okay, it is not as if that only you can use this road, nobody else is supposed to like step on your road itself. Everybody can use this road, right? So you are not going to give your own land to create the road itself, right guys? You are not going to give your own road to create a, sorry, your own land to create a road, guys. Please let me know. So what you will be doing is you will be having some land, okay, that is outside your bought property. Okay, that is outside the property that you have purchased, and this is where the government will be creating the road. This area which I'm marking right over here, this area that I'm marking right over here, this is the land which the government will be owning, that will be creating the road, guys. That will be creating the road. This is not owned by you. This is not owned by your neighbors as well. This is owned by the government, and the government is going to create this road for you. The government is going to create this road for you guys. So this road can be thought of as margin that is going to separate you from the rest of the houses. Okay, this road is going to separate you from the rest of the houses, guys, and that is basically going to create a margin between the houses, right guys? Going to create a margin between the houses, right? So this is the exact same concept, wherein think of the house as a component on your website. Think of the house as a component on your website. So the land owned, okay, the part of the website owned by that component will have the component itself, okay, but then we'll have some padding around it, the garden that you are having. Okay, first of all, you are having the component, so this is the land owned by the component itself. This is your component at the middle. Okay, for example, A, B, C, D written right over here. Okay, let's assume this is an H1 tag. Okay, this is an H1 tag itself. Okay, then you are having some padding around it. Okay, you are having some padding around it that is there. The garden that was there, right guys? Padding around the component. Then you are having the border around the component, guys. This is the border, that is the wall around your component, okay, around your house. It's called as the border. Okay, and then it has the margin that is going to separate it from the rest of the components around the current component itself. It is going to separate the component from the other components on your website. Okay, going to separate the current component from the other components on your website itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. And in this particular fact, only the green and the orange one is used right over here. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So you are having the first one that is called as the green one, that is called as padding. Now coming to the technical terms, guys. Okay, now coming to the technical terms. This is called as padding, guys. Then you are having the border. And then you are having the margin. The padding and the border belongs to the component itself. Padding and the border belongs to the component because that is the land owned by the component. That is the land owned by you. Okay, your border and your padding is owned by you. But your margin is not owned by you. That is by the website itself. That is for the website itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Margin is not owned by you. That is not a part of the component. That is outside the component. It is separating different components itself. So just relate it to the example that I told you guys early on. Okay, just relate it to the example that I told you guys early on itself about the house. How you're going to build your house, how you're going to have a garden around it, how you're going to have a protective border around it, how you're going to have some margin or road around the other houses as well. That is the exact same thing that you're going to use in this padding, border, and margin as well. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. CarTube, the Tinder clone bootcamp video is almost ready actually. So we just need to publish it. So I think so I will be publishing it by tomorrow morning itself. So that video is all actually done. I think so. It has been updated as well. I don't know where it is. But yeah, the Tinder clone bootcamp video is already done. I just need to make it live. So tomorrow morning I will be doing it most probably. Okay, are you guys able to understand this concept, guys? Please let me know. Why am I not able to see my... Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes so that I'm able to drink some water. Actually, my throat is paining. So give me 2 minutes, guys. I will come after 2 minutes. I'm giving you guys a 2 minutes break to just take this inside of your mind. I will drink some water and come back. Okay, give me 2 minutes, guys. Give me 2 minutes. I'm back, guys. Are you guys able to listen to me? Please let me know. Are you guys able to listen to me? Please let me know, guys. Okay, good. So what we are going to do right now is that, were you guys able to understand this concept of padding, border, and margin, guys? Please let me know. Were you guys able to understand this concept of padding, border, and margin? Please let me know, guys. Good, amazing. So this concept of padding, border, and margin are basically referred to as the box model, where we consider that everything on our website is a box. Okay, this is called as the box model, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. That is the reason why we call this as the box model, or in like everything, every component on your website is a box itself. Every component on your website is a box. Okay. And we are going to utilize this box model itself to create our Instagram clone. Okay, we're going to use this exact same box model to create our Instagram clone, guys. So just keep that in mind, guys, that the box model basically says that if there is a box, okay, if there is a component, it's a box. If there is a component, it's a box. As simple as that. For example, if I'm going to my website, I open up any website itself. Actually, if I open up any website, for example, this is a YouTube website, right? YouTube website. If I do a right click right over here, I go to the inspect option. Okay, I go to the inspect option and I go to elements. Okay, I'll make this a bit smaller. If I go to elements itself, if I hover over any particular code, as you're able to see, everything comes off as a box itself. As you're able to see, everything that you're able to see on your website comes off as a box. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Anything and everything that comes up to a website itself looks like a box. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. And it's not a website that I have created. This is a YouTube website, right? The YouTube website itself. So that is the reason why the box model is the most preferred model, because it is the most easiest to understand as well. The most easiest to understand as well. That is the reason why most of the people use box model. As you're able to see on the bottom right corner, okay, the suggestion line, okay, the suggestion, the stream bit, okay, let's take up another one. Let's take us this one. Okay, so as you're able to see right over here, the live day 0.5 Instagram clone, the main area, that is our home. Okay, the main area where I built my home itself, that is the blue colored one. Then it has a padding. It does not has any border. It does not has any margin. It just has the home and then the padding around it on three sides. On the bottom, there is no padding. On the bottom, there is no padding. On three sides, there is a padding as well. That is the reason why there are various different things. For example, for this edit button, you're having the main content. There is no padding. There is no border. There's a margin on all the sides. There's a margin on all the sides. So different things, you can use a different styles as well. For example, for this, you are having the box. You're having no padding, no border, just a margin on the bottom. That's it. So the most famous one is the box model itself, guys, and the most easiest to use as well. And that is the reason why we are going to use that. That is the reason why we are going to use that in our project. So understanding this from a practical standpoint, we'll be starting it inside of the project itself, right? I'm just teaching you the basic conceptual things that when we are doing it in the project, you guys are easily able to understand. So border can be on four sides, so top, bottom, left, right. Margin can be on all the four sides, top, bottom, left, right. So all these different things, basic things, we'll be understanding it while doing the project itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Will padding increase the size of the current box? Of course, because that is your area that you own. Okay, that your area. So anytime that you want to understand that what will happen if I do something with the padding, with the border of the margin, think about the house that I told you guys about. Just think about the house, guys. It's as simple as that. Just think about the house. Are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know, guys. Just think about the house, guys. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay, just think about the house. You will be able to answer all your questions. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good. Now I need to guide you guys a little bit about the project, guys, because tomorrow onwards we are going to start out with the project. Okay, tomorrow onwards we are going to start out with the project. The basics of the project will be started tomorrow, and we'll be completing the project day after tomorrow itself. So just a quick introduction to the project. So do you guys know what is the project that you guys are going to create? You guys know what is the project that you guys are going to create? Please let me know. Let me show it to you guys. Let me show it to you guys. Okay. Show it to you guys. LinkedIn. So usually some of our students basically uh, post the project as well. So I'm just going to find a particular project that has been posted by an ex-student of ours. I'm going to share it that with you guys so that you guys are able to see what is the exact project that you guys are going to create. Okay. So give me a second so that I'm able to find the project itself. Yes, I know Instagram clone, but I want to show you guys how the clone will exactly look like. That is my aim by doing this. I want to show it to you guys how the exact clone will be looking like, because that is also very important, right, guys? Please let me know. Okay, please check if this is the one, because I also don't remember, guys. This is the note taking application. Okay, this is JavaScript and React.js. We'll have to go a lot longer way down itself, I guess. Give me a second. I really wanted to show you guys the project so that you guys are also able to understand what is the exact project that you guys will be creating. So how will, okay, so somebody has posted it right over here. Let's use this. Okay, so this is how your Instagram clone will approximately look like. Somebody has taken up a picture of it and posted it right over here. So I think so. Her name is Muskan Soni. So we'll be creating the exact same thing for yourself. Okay, so number of posts, followers. Okay, number of following, your own name right over here, your own profile picture. Okay, notifications, explore, message, direct, stats, settings, and log out right over here. Then you are having your post, as you are able to see, number of likes and comments at the bottom. It's a bit faded away, guys, but yeah, it would be there. Okay, so this is what you will be creating right over here with your images and your stories on top. Then adding pictures, any notifications that you guys are having, search icon that is there. Okay, if you want to watch all your reels that you haven't created. Okay, so all these different things you guys will be creating using the Instagram clone in HTML and CSS. Okay, so I will be teaching you guys how to create the entire thing, and then you just have to add your own images. That's it. You just have to add your own images itself. We're creating only one page. Okay, we'll be creating only one page out there, guys. Don't have to worry about it. Hey guys, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand the project that you guys are going to create, guys? Please let me know. You guys, of course, it will be a static page itself because we are working with just HTML and CSS. So we are going to create this static one page itself that we are going to create. There will be a lot many number of posts as well. If I was able to find a lot many number of posts, I would have shown you guys more posts as well, in which you guys would be able to see the thing very carefully. But I think so. Right now, I'm only having that itself. Okay. It will be static, of course, guys. We are just learning HTML and CSS. We are not learning backend web development. We are not learning React JS. Of course, if you wanted to learn React JS, backend web development, we are having so many different boot camps out there. You guys can join that and, of course, learn that as well. But yes, this time we will be focusing upon a static website itself. Okay. Yes, it will be responsive as well. You don't have to worry about it. So, are you guys able to understand what is the project that you guys will be creating? Please let me know. Of course, Arnav, if you know that, you can definitely do it. Okay. Good, guys. Amazing. Amazing. So, one more thing, guys. So, what are we going to use? So, we are going to use HTML. Okay. We are going to use CSS. Whatever we have studied up till now, percentages, EMs, VW. Okay. We will be using our CSS. Okay. Classes, IDs, box model, margin, padding. Okay. Your images, all the things that we have studied up till now. We are going to use that to do this. Okay, we are going to use that to do this. Yes, we are going to learn a new things as well. Some new things that we'll be learning right over there. But I will be teaching you guys that along the way. Okay, so anything that we are learning new, I'll be teaching you guys along with that as well. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. It will be very simple, very easy. Focus as much as possible upon the project itself. Okay. For the project video that is on the day 7, it's fine if you're not even able to attend it live. Okay, it's fine. Okay, the attendance for that you can fill it up in like 4 or 5 days. It will be told in the video itself. Okay, you don't have to worry because I'm also able to understand in just one go in 1 hour. You won't be able to understand the entire project. You will take some time to understand it. That is the reason why we give you guys 4 to 5 days to actually understand the project. You don't have to worry about it. Like I said, I take care of everything that you guys are thinking about. Okay, just try to make sure that you guys are putting your 100% efforts into understanding things and making sure that you guys are able to succeed upon it as well. Yes, guys, you can do the entire project using your mobile phone. You will be doing the entire project inside of Code Sandbox only. You're going to do the entire project inside of Code Sandbox only, guys. You can do it from your mobile phone as well. Everybody can do it from their mobile phones as well. So do not think about it. Do not worry about it, guys. I have taken care of everything. Okay. Everything else, I'll once we have built the project, then we'll talk about the rest of the stuff, guys. Then we'll talk about the rest of. But first, let's try to build the project tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards. Will that be fine? Let's try to make sure that we are able to build the project from tomorrow onwards. Then we'll look at where to submit the project if you want to submit the project. Okay, let's first try to build the project from tomorrow onwards, guys. Yes. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Amazing. So one more thing, guys. Sir, I have a laptop. Should I use laptop or I should use mobile phone? See, if you have a laptop, use the laptop itself, of course. Many people don't have a laptop. So for them, they can do it from their mobile phones as well. Okay? Good. Okay. So one more thing, guys. I wanted you guys to understand something that... so I don't know if you guys know about it or not. So we organize these training and internships as well. Okay, so we usually have limited number of seats. In the previous boot camp, we had 60 seats that were available and 20 of them were remaining. So in the previous boot camp that I conducted just 5 minutes ago, I told to them as well that 20 seats are there. If somebody is interested, they can register for that. I don't know if you guys know about it or not. So can you guys let me know if you know about the training and internship, or you don't know about the training or an internship that we have, guys? You guys let me know. You guys know about the training or internship that we have, or you guys have no idea about the training or internship that we conduct, guys? Okay. So most of you don't have any idea about it. No issues with that. So along with the boot camp, so these boot camps are majorly like a gateway to understanding concepts, like to get the basics. So okay, what is HTML and CSS? what is React.js. Okay, understanding React.js. What is backend web development? Understanding backend web development. So it is basically like a taste of that technology. We don't go in a lot of depth. There's a lot of depth to it. There's a lot of advanced topics that are there, and it is just not possible to cover it in 7 days. So we organize these training and internships that are there. Now, I created DevTown with one aim in my mind, to provide placements to students. That was my only aim when I created DevTown. How can I provide placements to the students itself? That was my only aim, nothing else. So when we started DevTown, initially it was very hard. Okay, I tried to contact some of my seniors. I tried to arrange some internships and everything. But right now, I'm so happy to let you guys know that this month we have placed 900 students in just 1 month. We have provided placements to 900 students in just 1 month, guys. Along with that, we have placed 10 students in Google this month. We have placed 9 students in Microsoft. We have placed almost 40 students in Walmart and Flipkart included. That is how many students we are placing on a monthly basis right now. And that is something that, of course, we were very proud about it. And for 10 students who got into Google, have a package of 60 lakhs per annum. The 9 students who got into Microsoft have a package of 48 lakhs per annum. The 40 students who got it, the 19 students got into Walmart, they have a package of 34 lakhs per annum. And the other 21 students who got into Flipkart have a package of almost 24 lakhs per annum, with an average placement of 15 lakhs per annum. That is what we are able to get right now. So having this entire training and placement that we organize, what we found out was students were interested in getting internships at good companies. Like for me as well, I wanted to get an internship at a reputed company. I wanted to work with them. I wanted to understand how how these companies actually work inside. Like how, if I am getting selected in this company, what will be my day-to-day stuff that I will be doing. So to do that, we founded DevTown and we created this entire training and internship program. And right now, I'm so proud of telling you guys this, that we have almost 18 to 19 companies that are giving our students, DevTown students, a 1 month guaranteed internship. A 1 month guaranteed internship without any interviews, without any exams, without anything. 1 month unpaid guaranteed internship to all our students. Yes, of course, in the 3 months, we first train them in everything that is there. We train them in data structures and algorithms. We train them in competitive programming. We train them in C++, Java. We train them in full stack web development. That means front end, back end, cloud computing, DevOps, everything from the utmost basics, the highest level possible. Highest level possible, guys. And the entire stuff, of course, like the minimum duration is 3.5 months. The minimum duration is 3.5 months, but of course, you can take up like a year also to do that. And after that, we provide them with 1 month of internship at the company of their choosing. At the company of their choosing, guys. For example, currently for data analyst and software engineering, we are having companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, and British Airways. These are the companies that we are having for data analyst and software engineering. Then for full stack web development, guys, we are having companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Amazon, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, and HP that are providing 1 month of guaranteed internship. Cisco, JP Morgan and Chase, Amazon, Walmart have an average placement of greater than 30 lakhs per annum. Greater than 30 lakhs per annum, guys. After that, you are having cybersecurity and software engineering. For that, we are having MasterCard, ANZ, that is Australia and New Zealand Bank. And they are having JP Morgan and Chase and PwC. These are the companies that are offering 1 month guaranteed internship for 1 month. A guaranteed 1 month unpaid internship with these companies. So what we do is we train you guys in everything. Data structures, algorithms, competitive programming, your full front end, back end, web development, everything we train it to you guys from the basic to the most, like at most level itself. From the basic to the most highest level. Because there is no exam, there is no interview, nothing. You're directly getting the internship. That is the reason why We don't provide stipend during that particular internship because there is no exam, nothing like that. But if you are doing well during the 1 month guaranteed internship, then you're getting a stipend internship as well as a job opportunity right over there. And except from that, we have our own company collaborations and everything that provides you guys with placements as well. For example, currently we are having our collaborations with various different companies right now. For example, right over here, if you ever paid attention to our uh, like our attendance itself. So as you are able to see, we have our collaborations with Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Samsung, Jio, Flipkart, Oracle, Barclays, Walmart that are providing placements, direct placements from these companies. Direct placements from these companies, guys. So, like I said, guys, we don't charge anything for the internship. The internship is completely free. We don't charge anything for the internship. The internship is completely free. The entire training program is remote. The entire training program is remote. The entire training program is live. The internship is also remote. The internship is also just online itself. Online, nothing is offline. And because these companies realize that you guys are either in college or you are in a job, so all the internship and everything will be done in such a way that you guys, it will not be hampering your college. It will be done on your own time. You don't have to worry about it. But there is a cost associated with the training, because we will be spending almost 3.5 months to like train you guys for that. Okay, so there's a cost associated with the training, guys. That's it. The internship is completely free, but the internship is only available for the training students, the students who have completed their training. The best part is you don't even need to know what is programming. We'll be starting from the utmost basics and we'll be going to the most advanced level. We're going to the most advanced level. The cost of the training is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. That is the cost of the training, guys. 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. That is taxes. GST basically means taxes. So we'll be training you guys for 3.5 months. First, we'll make sure that you guys are able to understand everything. We'll be teaching you guys front-end web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, CSS. We'll be teaching you guys Tailwind CSS. Then we'll be going into React, Redux, hooks, everything in front-end web development. Then we'll be going into back-end web development. We'll be teaching you guys MongoDB, Express, Node.js, microservice architecture and everything. Then we'll be going into Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, that is DevOps. Then we'll be going into cloud computing with AWS. Everything will be telling to you guys right over there. The entire training will be happening online only. The entire training will be happening online only. So, like I said, guys, right now we only have, so we have 20 seats available in full stack, somewhere about 30 seats available in data science, and somewhere about 45 seats available in cybersecurity. These are the number of seats that are available in each of these training programs. And it is first come, first basis itself. Like I said, the cost of the program in the entire program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The entire training, the entire internship, as well as placements. We have placements that are remote as well. We have students joining us from Africa. We have students joining us from Pakistan. We have students joining us from Bangladesh, Nepal, US, UK. We have students joining us from UAE. We have a lot of different students joining us from a lot of different parts of the world as well. So, like I said, guys, the cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. If you guys are interested in that, could you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested in the same? Well, like I said, we have only limited number of seats that are available. So it is first come, first basis itself. That is the reason why I'm asking how many of you guys are interested in joining the program, guys. Please let me know. How many of you guys are interested to join the program? Because right now we have only these many number of seats, and this is the very first time that we have been provided with this opportunity. At this particular point of time, nobody is going to provide you an internship directly in Amazon or JP Morgan and Chase or any other company right now. Actually, no company in this entire world is going to be able to provide you guys that. The only reason we are able to do that is because our students are continuously the best in the industry that are able to get placed into any particular company of their choosing. Any particular company of their choosing, because we are not just training them into just some bullshit HTML CSS that we provided for free on our YouTube channel itself. What we do is we provide them everything that they need to know. everything that they need to know, guys. We provide them, and that you will be having your doubt support, you will be having doubt assistance as well. We'll be connecting you guys with mentors. So these will be your mentors, guys. We have mentors from Amazon, Google. We have mentors from HP, Porsche, McKinsey and Company. We have mentors from Morgan Stanley. We have mentors from Goldman Sachs, Oracle, Cisco, Sony. We have mentors from TensorFlow. We have mentors from Microsoft. These are all the different mentors that we are having right now. Getting a chance to interact with them, to learn from them, to be able to intern at such a prestigious company at like Amazon or JP Morgan and Chase is a very big thing, guys. It's nothing small of a big achievement, actually. So that is what we want to provide it to the students. Okay? That is what we want to provide it to the students, guys. Okay. Usually when the training program goes on, you guys have lifetime access with that. So if you are, for example, I'm having my exams in the middle or something like that, I can just stop my program for a month. Okay, I can restart it after a month as well. You can just reschedule your training program after 6 months, after 8 months as well. There's no issues with that. 2021 pass outs are eligible for this program or training. SAG, of course. Okay, the most oldest person that I've ever taught was of 55 years old from Accenture. So she was working at Accenture. She was 55 years old. This is the oldest person I've ever taught up till this particular point of time. Okay, so the cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. For those guys who are interested in that, could you guys send a message on this particular WhatsApp number? Somebody from my team will be reaching out to you guys and will be helping you guys out with the registration process. For those guys who want to apply for the same, those guys who want to register for the same itself, I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. Please reach out. Please message this particular WhatsApp number right now itself, guys. Any type of message, any type of question that you guys are having related to training, either me or somebody from my team will be reaching out to you guys and will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay, any kind of question that you guys are having. Okay, for those guys who want to apply for the internship, you first have to complete the training. Once you have completed the training, then you will be getting the internship itself. Okay, for those guys who are not interested, don't worry. Think about it as a future opportunity. Okay, maybe if it's available right now, it's available. I don't know when it will be available in the future. Saurabh Chaudhary, as soon as you have enrolled yourself in the program by paying the complete amount, that is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST, then you can start off with your training immediately. Timings for the training will be in the evening, Nikhil, after 7, because of course you guys are having your college, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Like I said, guys, for those who are interested in the training and internship, you guys can approach on this particular WhatsApp number and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. Rinath, yes, from ECE, you guys can also enroll into this particular program. Okay. Why no one gets placed in Lyft, sir? Lyft, which company is this? Are you talking about LYFT? LIFT is nothing. LYFT is the company. Okay. I pinned up the live chat as well. Guys. Okay. Like I said, guys, for those who are interested in the training and internship, you guys can message on this particular WhatsApp number right now, and we will be helping you guys out with the enrollment process. Okay. Guys, please message on this particular WhatsApp number right now itself, guys, so that we are able to help you guys out with the same. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you want to see a particular demo certificate as well, I think so I'm having a demo certificate of the internship. So this is the internship demo certificate via KPMG, guys, for data analytics consulting virtual internship. As you are able to see, you will be covering topics like data insights and presentation, data query assessment, the month and the year that you have completed the internship in. You are going to get a proper internship certificate directly from the company, not from us. From us, you're going to get a 3 months of internship certificate via DevTown. But from that company of your choosing, you're going to get a 1 month guaranteed internship certificate. Okay. In Lyft, most of the international students get placed in Lyft, guys. Most of the international students get placed in Lyft. Okay. Like I said, guys, you guys can message. Is there any doubt clearing session? Yes, there will be a doubt clearing session as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Doubt clearing will also be there. Like I said, guys, you guys are having this WhatsApp number. Okay, uh, if you guys want to start your training from May or something like that, you can enroll yourself right now because it is first come first basis. Like I said, we only have 20 seats available. After that, when we are going to start this program, I have no idea because this is the last time that we are running this program. Okay, so if you want to start your internship from May, you can easily do that. You just have to let us know. We'll send an email to the company and you can start your internship from May. You can register yourself right now itself, guys, for that. Okay, like I said, guys, if you have any questions or queries, just message on this particular WhatsApp number if you are interested in the training and internship program, and we will be helping you guys out with the entire stuff, guys. Okay. Do you guys have any questions? Please let me know. Sir, I'm in third year of my college. Will I get a job before completing my degree? Pratmesh, if you're doing well, see, the 1 month guaranteed internship is there. If you're doing well in the internship, you're getting a placement directly from right over there. And DevTown also provides you guys with the entire thing. Okay. Sir, is 3,500 rupees for each of the three programs? Yes. For example, 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST will cover C++, Java, data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, and if you want to choose data science, then data science. If you want to choose full stack, then full stack. If you want to choose cyber security, then cyber security. Okay. What is the training thing? Can you please explain it again? Natasha, in the training program, we will be training you guys in the entire full stack web development, front end, back end, DevOps, cloud computing, everything. Okay. So will it be available after 1 year? Because currently I'm in the first year. Tritam, the 10 students that got placed into Google this month itself, they joined us in their first year. They joined our training program in their first year. At that point of time, we didn't have the 1 month guaranteed internship. They joined our training program in their first year itself. The early that you are able to join, the better the outcomes are because you have more time to own your skills itself. Okay. It is 3,500 rupees for the entire 3 months. It is for the entire 3 months itself. Okay. Yes, Sandeep God, you are eligible for that. Okay. Anyone can enroll into the training. Anyone can enroll into the training. Is there a certificate ID? You will be getting an employee ID via the company itself. Okay. You're getting an employee ID via the company itself. Internship is completely online. You don't have to worry about it. Dheeraj, you can message on this particular WhatsApp number with all your questions. Dheeraj, you can message on this particular WhatsApp number with all your questions itself. Okay, you guys can pre-register yourself right now by paying a 500 rupees fees. Okay, once you have pre-registered yourself, then you can complete your rest of the registration within the next 4 days, guys. Okay. So if you guys want, you can pre-register yourself right now. Okay. I can provide you guys with the registration link as well. Right over here in the live chat, I provided you guys with the registration link for those guys who want to save their seat. For those guys who want to save their seat and those guys who want to pre-register themselves right now, they can use this particular link that I have pasted in the live chat to register themselves right now for the program itself. And once they have pre-registered themselves, then in the next 4 days, they can complete the rest of the registration at any particular point of time. Priyanshu, the cost is 3,500 rupees plus the 18% GST. There's no other cost. There's no other cost itself. Okay. There is an assurance of getting the internship. The internship is guaranteed, guys. The internship is guaranteed. If you are doing well in the internship, you're getting the placements as well. I'm in the second year diploma, computer engineering, and our college have a compulsory internship for 6 months. Can we get that? No issues in that. We'll help you guys out with the same. 3 months of internship certificate via DevTown, 1 month of internship certificate via the company directly. So you don't have to worry about it. What about Sri Lankan people? Payment option, D2D status, just message on the WhatsApp number. They will help you guys out with the same. Gaurav Singh, if the seats get full, then we will not accept your payments itself. That is the main point. The seats get full, the portal itself will stop accepting the payments. Okay. How many hours of training will be there per day? See, we don't have a per day training hours. We have a entire training program itself. So it will be more than 200 hours actually. more than 200 hours. Like I said, guys, for those who are interested to book their seats right now, they can do their pre-registration right now itself using this particular link, guys. Okay. Out of how many students got 900 selected? 1,100 students. Okay, Sachin Pawar, out of 1,100 students, 900 students got placed. But within the next 2 months, we'll get the 200 students placed as well. I don't think that would be an issue. In 1 month itself, we got 900 students placed. For those guys who want to register them, so we are from mechanical engineering. Can we also join? Josh, John, of course you can join. You don't have to worry about it. Like I said, guys, if you want to register yourself right now, I provided you guys with the pre-registration link. The pre-registration is of 500 rupees itself. 500 rupees plus the 18% GST. So once you pre-register yourself, the rest of the amount will be 3,000 rupees plus the 18% GST. That would be it. You have to complete your registration in the next 4 days itself, guys, because then we are going to stop taking in more students, guys. Okay. Pre-registration is basically saving your seat. So for example, you can like I said, there is first come first basis itself. So if you want to save your seat right now, you can pay the pre-registration fees itself. That will be 500 rupees plus 18% GST. Then after 4 days, you can do the post registration. That is 3,000 rupees plus 18% GST, and that's it. Okay, that's it, guys. For anybody who is doing the pre-registration right now, please do let me know. Okay, anybody who is doing the pre-registration right now, please let me know. Rikita, any questions or queries you can ask on the WhatsApp number itself directly. Any questions or queries, Rikita, you can ask on the WhatsApp number itself. So I want to join in June summer vacation because I'm having first year. May I have a seat for June? Hates Gaming, you can enroll yourself right now by completing your registration. You can start from June. There is no issues in that. Okay, you can start from June. There is no issues in that, guys. 18%, 1/8. Okay, that is the GST, that is taxes. Okay. Any type of questions or queries that are there, if I enroll today, then when the training will get started? Within the next 2 days, Pratik. Within the next 2 days. For those guys who are registering, who are doing the pre-registration right now, please do let me know. So can we take more than 3 months to complete the training? Special guy, like I said, you can take up 2 years to complete the training as well. Whenever you want to start the internship, you can just let us know and we'll start your internship at that particular point of time. Okay. We'll be teaching C++, Java, data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, and the entire full stack web development as well. Front end, back end, DevOps, cloud, everything right over there. For those guys who want to do their pre-registration, you can do it using this particular test link itself. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Yes, Ayushi, if you are in your first year as well, you can definitely register yourself right now. Okay. If you are even in your first year as well, you can definitely register yourself right now. The internship is guaranteed. There is no exam, there is no interview, nothing. Okay, it is directly given to all our students itself. There is no stipend during the internship. But if you're doing well in the internship, then yes, stipend will also be given to you, as well as will be given your job opportunities as well. You don't have to worry about it. We have taken care of everything for you guys. Okay, we have taken care for everything for you guys. As soon as you have done your pre-registration, as soon as you have done your complete registration, in 2 days your training will be starting. In 2 days your training will be starting as soon as possible, guys. Okay. I've already, so those guys who are interested in the training program, you guys can message us on this particular WhatsApp number. Okay, you guys can message on this particular WhatsApp number. The internship, the training, everything will be online, guys. Because we know that you guys are having your office, you guys are having your classes, everything will be online. As soon as you're done your registration, complete registration, immediately after that, your internship will be starting. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, if you are interested in that, you can message us on this particular WhatsApp number as well, guys. Now I'm going to create your attendance link, guys. I'm going to create your attendance link right now. I'm going to create your attendance link right now, guys. Any kind of questions or queries related to the internship, okay, you guys can join this particular you can message on this particular WhatsApp number. Some either me or somebody from the DevTown will be helping you guys back with your questions and your queries, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you guys don't have to worry about it. Sonika, you can register yourself right now itself, and then in June you can start off with your training. There's no issues in that. Okay. Then I'm having my first year. I'll be having an end semester exam in May and June. So can we join it after June or in June? Sahil, at that point of time, if you'll be having the seats or not, I don't know. You can register yourself right now itself, and then you can start the training in June. There is no issues in that. Okay, you can register yourself right now and start the training in June. There is no issues in that, guys. Okay. I'm sending you guys the attendance link for today. I'm sending you guys an attendance link for today, guys. Ritika, if you have any questions, you can contact us on the WhatsApp number. I've already pinned it up in the live chat. Minimum CGPA for internship and placements, or if we don't have anything for that. For internship, everything is guaranteed. We don't check anything. There's no barrier to it. There's no barrier to it, guys. For those students who have done their pre-registration, that's great. I hope to see you guys soon in my class. The next 4 days, Ronak, you will have to complete your post-registration. How many months does it take to complete the training? It usually takes 4 months. Okay, it usually takes 4 months, 3 to 4 months itself, guys. For those guys who have done your pre-registration, I hope to see you guys very soon in my future class. Available domain, Saurabh, is data science, that is data scientist. It is full stack development and cyber security. Will the doubt support be available after 4 months? Yes, we have lifetime access to the doubt support as well. You don't have to worry about it. John, if we have backlogs, will we get the internship? The internship is guaranteed, John. Even if you have backlogs, you will get the internship. You don't have to worry about it. So for those guys who are interested in the training and internship, guys, you guys can message. Can we stop the training for 10 to 15 days in the end sems or mid sems? Dilip, easily, easily. You don't have to worry about it. Even you can reschedule it for after a year as well. There's no issues in that. Priyanshu, again, the cost is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. That's it. That's it, Priyanshu. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can either pre-register yourself right now, or you guys can send a message to this particular WhatsApp number and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. How many times can we stop our courses? Infinite number of times. Call me Vicky, because like I said, it's a lifetime access to the course. The lifetime access to the course itself, right? You can stop it infinite number of times. The internship is guaranteed, Abhishek. Job is dependent upon your talent. If you are able to do it or not, if you are able to learn it or not. The internship is guaranteed. Saurabh, any questions related to the training and internship, you can ask it on the WhatsApp number directly. Okay, Saurabh, any questions related to the training and internship, you can ask it directly on the WhatsApp number. Same for LJ gamers as well. Okay, you can ask it directly on the WhatsApp number itself. Will be taught individually. So you want a person from Google to teach you individually every single day for 2 hours for 3,500 rupees for 3 months for lifetime. If that makes any sense, please do let me know. I will also register there. Of course not. Okay, you're just going to get doubt support during the entire like lifetime itself. Okay, it's, you will be learning data structures and algorithms. You will be learning C++, Java. You will be learning competitive programming itself. You will be learning about full front end, back end, DevOps, cloud computing, everything. Okay. For those who have not done pre-registration yet, what is the deadline for it? Neha, that will be tomorrow. That will be the deadline for pre-registration. That would be tomorrow itself. Can you teach? Call me Vicky. We have done it for the past 2 years. This is the very first time we are offering a guaranteed internship, but we have done the training for the past 2 years. We have placed almost 5,500 students up till now. We have placed almost 5,500 students up till now. So yes, we have done this training for a lot many number of times, so you don't have to worry about it. 3 months is the minimum time. It is up to you how much time you are going to take to complete the program. Okay, 3 months is the minimum time, guys. Like I said, guys, the training program will come up with a 1 month guaranteed internship as well. You don't have to worry about it. So, like I said, guys, if you want to register yourself, okay, so I did the pre-registration. Where will I get the link for the rest of the payment? Somebody from Ronak, somebody from DevTown will be approaching you out with the same. Okay. Like I said, guys, the class is over, guys. The class is over. If you guys have any questions related to the training or internship, I'm just going to answer that. But the class is over, guys. The class is over. Okay. The class is over, guys. Do not worry. Okay. The class is over. The attendance is already taken up. If you guys have any questions or queries, I'm just sitting for that. Okay. Is there any unpaid internship? Vijay, like I said, the training program comes up with a 3 months of DevTown, like DevTown certificate, DevTown internship certificate, a letter of recommendation, offer letter, and then a 1 month guaranteed internship with a company of your choosing. The company of your choosing itself. So the class is over, guys. If you guys have any questions or queries, I'm just sitting for that. Okay. There's only one attendance thing for today, guys. So if you have any questions or queries, I'm just sitting for that, guys. Are graduates encouraged to join? Joseph, it's up to you. Yes, we have graduates. We have people who are currently working who have joined us as well. So yes, that is totally up to you. Okay. For those guys who are interested in the training and internship, they can message on this particular WhatsApp number or they can pre-register yourself right now itself. Okay. I'm from graphics and multimedia background. Am I still eligible? Shravani, yes, you're still eligible. You don't have to worry. These companies do not look at your background. They look at your knowledge. They look at your skill set. That's it. Okay. That's it. Trisha, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you very soon. Yes, the class is over, guys. The class is over. The class is done. There's no more attendance itself. I'm just helping students out who have any questions or something like that. How much for pre-registration? The pre-registration I've already provided it in the live chat. It is 500 rupees plus 18% GST. Okay, I've already provided the pre-registration in the live chat itself. It is 500 rupees plus 18% GST. Okay. Sir, I will give 200%. I can get selected for a job. Siddesh, if you give 100% itself, you get selected. You don't have to worry about it. Right now, our placement ratio is out of 1,100 students, we got 900 students placed this month. We still have 2 more months to place them. We got 900 out of them placed this month itself. With students being in first year, second year, third year, with students being in commerce background, with students being from, we have students in maritime engineering that we like placed in Amazon as a front end React developer. The internship is unpaid, right? And yes, we will be teaching everything from scratch. The only prerequisite is English. The only prerequisite is you should be able to understand my English. That's it. You don't need to understand anything about programming. You don't need to understand anything. It's Glitz. The deadline to register yourself, do the pre-registration is tomorrow midnight itself. That's it. Saurabh, placements are dependent upon your skill set. If you are not studied anything during the training, you're not attending the classes during the training, you didn't do any shit in the internship, then how can you accept placements? But if you're doing everything in the training, you're getting your internship properly done, you will get your placements as well. You don't have to worry about it. Yes, the entire internship will be virtual, that is online. You don't have to worry. Okay, the entire internship will be online itself. Sorry, we do this at cost itself. Okay. The internship is free. We don't charge anything of the internship. We only charge for the training itself. After the training, only DevTown students are given the internship. Once you've done the registration, then immediately in 1 or 2 days, your training program will start. Your internship, you can do it after 6 months, 8 months, 3 months, 4 months. Whenever you want to do the internship, you can do it. When will I choose the domain? I pre-register. Somebody from DevTown Costa will be approaching you with an onboarding form. You will be able to do it from there. How much for training? The training program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. That is the entire cost for the 3 months of training. Entire cost. 3 months of training. That will cover data structures and algorithms, computer programming, C++, Java, full stack web development. If you're choosing full stack web development, if you're choosing data science, then data science. If you're choosing cybersecurity, then cybersecurity. It will cover all these things plus a 1 month guaranteed internship. Yes, of course, you'll be getting a LOR after completion of the training. Without that, how are you going to go further? Of course, we are going to give you guys that. Okay. Like I said, guys, for those guys who want to register themselves, you guys, how long is the internship? So 3 months of training is there via DevTown. So you'll be getting 3 months of internship certificate via DevTown, and then 1 month of certificate via the company of your choosing for internship. Okay, all content within 3 months. You have lifetime access to the content. You can, the minimum time that you can take is 3 months. The maximum time you can take it is like 2 years as well. That is up to you. Okay. After 500 payment, we need to do 3,000 also after how many days? Within 4 days, Kailash. Within 4 days. So will there be such future internships as well? Maybe in the future we'll just have the training, not the internships. In the future we'll just have the training, not the internships. This internship is currently offered to us for the very first time. Nobody in the entire world is able to offer you this. Sir, I just did my pre-registration. When can I pay the whole fees? Heyman, somebody from DevTown will be approaching you very soon. You don't have to worry about it. When will be the next batch? Saurabh, this is the only batch that is there. We don't have any other batches. If you want to enroll yourself right now, you can enroll yourself right now and you can start the program after 6 months. There's no issues in that. Can we choose Amazon for the company of internship? Absolutely, Shreya. You can absolutely do that. There's no issues in that. For those guys who want to enroll into the program, who have any questions or queries, can reach out to this. Training is for 3 months. The minimum duration is for 3 months. You can do the training for 6 months, 8 months. That is up to you. The minimum that we have seen is for 3 months. So my brother is from biotech background. Can he attend the internship? Of course, that is totally up to him. If he has interest, he can definitely do that. Okay. So I've done the pre-registration. What is next? You will be approached by somebody from DevTown and you will have to complete your registration itself. There is no offline internship, Rohit, because the internship is completely online itself. That is the reason why we are able to maintain our costs so low. Okay, so that we can just have the minimum cost that is possible. If you see the exact same training program by any other company, it will charge you minimum 50,000 rupees without any internship from good companies. Yes, you will be getting the LOR after completing the internship. You don't have to worry, Yash Singh. We already take care of that for you guys. Mohan, if it is a fault of DevTown, and we are not able to provide you with a seat, your entire amount will be refunded. Your entire amount will be refunded. If it is a problem about DevTown, that due to us you are not able to get your seat, your entire amount will be refunded. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. So right now, LJ Gamers, we enrolled 1,100 students. Out of that, 900 got placed. But I feel that within the next 2 months, we'll get the rest of them placed as well. Letter of recommendation, that is LOR. It has a lot of value. You get LOR, training certificate, internship certificate via DevTown, and the internship certificate via the company of your choosing. Nikki, we are training you for placements, okay? We are training you for placements. So yes, everything will be needed to be done in English. Yes, I've tried Prep Bytes, they told 30K. Dilip Jain, like you are able to see, if you go with any other platform, they will be asking you minimum 30 to 50,000 for a very shitty ass program that won't even teach you everything. That won't teach you DevOps, that won't teach you cloud computing. No internships, nothing. Nothing is guaranteed with them. That is the best part, because we do this at cost. We are a non-profit organization. We have some cost in keeping people to take up your doubt sessions. We have cost in keeping up your lifetime access of the recordings and everything, providing you guys with these internships. So we just take that cost from you guys. That's it. That's it. That is the reason why we are able to do it at 3,500 rupees. Nobody in the entire world will be able to give you. If you are able to find one program that is able to give you this, I will just close DevTown in its entirety. I will have achieved what I wanted to achieve in life. Okay. Mohan, like I said, if it's the fault of DevTown, that because of DevTown you will not able to get your seat, or there was any problem with that, then we'll refund you the entire amount. You don't have to worry about it. Which domain do you recommend? I will recommend full stack development, of course. I'll recommend full stack development, of course. Minimum at what package? 9 lakhs per annum. That's the minimum package that we have got up till now. 9 lakhs per annum by Infosys. Abhishek, that is up to you if you want to do both data science and full stack together. But I will still suggest, do not waste your money. First, do full stack development. Okay, that would be my suggestion to you. The first step of training of 3 months, 6 months. Second step is internship, right? Muskan, yes, of course. For those guys who are interested in the training, you can approach us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you can do the registration itself. 9 lakhs per annum was the minimum up till now, Akshay. When to choose domain after pre-registration? Nikhil, somebody from DevTown will be approaching you very soon with the entire thing. You don't have to worry about it. Can I do full stack and data analytics training both together? Abhishek, again, like I'm saying, you can do it, but I will suggest against that. First do one, understand everything, and then do the other one. Sir, I did pay the pre-registration fees and it holds GST in it too. Do we have to pay the tax again? Hemant, it is 500 rupees plus 18% GST. Then the rest is 3,000 rupees plus 18% GST. It is 9 lakhs per annum by Infosys. Sir, communication skill is poor. Improve that. There is no other way of going about it. You have to improve it. Can we do full stack? Array, why is he asking the same question? Am I not audible to him or something? Does the training cover from full stack to cybersecurity? Joseph, full stack is separate, cybersecurity is separate, data science is separate. There are 3 different things. There are 3 different things, guys. Patya, it is 9 lakhs per annum via Infosys, Patya. For those guys who want to register themselves, they can approach us on this particular WhatsApp number. And we have provided you guys with a pre-registration link as well. The class is over, guys. The class is over. Okay, the class is over. There is no attendance link right now. You guys can leave. Okay, you guys can leave. Okay. Tony, the cost is 3,500 rupees for the entire 3 months of training as well as 1 month of internship. 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The class is over, guys. The attendance has been taken up. Okay, the class is over. You guys can leave. I'm just catering to questions that are there. So how many seats are left in full stack development? Just we currently have 10 more seats that are there. Okay. The MCA versus full stack development. MCA is a course. Full stack development is your career. That's the difference. School is what you are studying in your school. But if you want to get into a good college, okay, you have to prepare for JEE mains and advanced. That is the difference. Loki, does training covers full stack development to cybersecurity all? No, of course not. It's different. Full stack is different. Cybersecurity is different. Data science is different. Okay. It will cover data structures and algorithms, computer programming, C++, Java, and one of the courses that you are choosing. Okay. The tips to improve communication skills. Read English books out loud. That is the best particular thing. So I paid full stack to Amazon, sir, but you said Infosys. Array, Infosys is the minimum package. Amazon has a package of 34 lakhs per annum, okay? Amazon has a good package. So people from Pakistan, just message on this particular number itself. We will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay? People from Pakistan, message on this particular number, WhatsApp number, and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. Those guys who are interested in the training program, please message on this particular WhatsApp number right now. Okay? The whole fees is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. That is the whole fees. 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. Will this type of internship come in future? Absolutely not. We also don't know if it will come in the future or not. For the first time, we are also getting this. Initially, we only used to provide training. This is the first time we are able to provide a guaranteed internship. Okay? Sir, I am currently studying engineering and data science. Should I take up data science training program or should I take up full stack and data science? Hemant, you can take up data science for now. I will suggest against taking up both the programs. But if you have a lot of money to waste, you can take up both the programs. I will suggest go with one program itself. What we'll be doing in internship, office work, whatever the office wants you to work in, that is what you will be doing. Yes, we will be helping you out with the same. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. For those guys, you edit X Loki. I've answered your questions almost five times. Okay. If you're not able to hear me properly, just increase the audio. I've answered your question 5 times. Full stack is a different program. Cybersecurity is a different program. Data science is a different program. You'll be if you're choosing full stack, you will be having data structures and algorithms, C++, Java, competitive programming, and just full stack web development inside of it. Okay. I've chosen data science. How to change it to full stack? Just contact your career counselor. He will be able to change you guys with that. So is there any aptitude round or coding round about getting placement, and what about interviews, sir? Everything will be handled by us. You don't have to worry about it. How many minimum hours will the intern be working daily? Joseph, we don't have anything like that because these companies actually know that there is no all the students are college students, so you will be doing on your own time. There's no minimum requirement like that. Is there any financial aid? LG gamers, this is the bottommost cost that we are having. We are doing it almost for free. We are not charging anything above this. So what we are doing is almost for free itself. There's no cost below this. Does it? Okay, he's still asking the same question. Can we do? He's also still asking the same question. Curry, like I said, this won't be available in the future. Internship is free. The cost of the training is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. Yes, of course, we will be helping you guys in your internship process. See, telling you guys separately, we will be helping you guys with everything. You don't have to worry about it. So after completing the payment, they are asking to fill the form. Pratik, yes, because that is your onboarding form so that we are able to onboard you to the platform, right? The doubt sessions will be there, Patya. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you guys have any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number and we will be able to help you guys out with your registration and your questions as well. We'll be meeting tomorrow in tomorrow's class, guys, and we'll be continuing from right over there, guys. Okay. We will get what company we will get. So that is a choice that will be left to you, LJ Gamer, which company that you want to join. Okay. That is a choice that will be left to you. Like I said, guys, if you want to join the training and internship, Curry, there are 10 seats available in full stack web development right now. Okay. What is full stack web development? Front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud. Okay. For those guys who want to register, even if you want to register it tomorrow, okay, just message on this particular WhatsApp number and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. Okay. Do I have a choice to ignore the training? Yes, you can, but then yes, we'll be helping you with the internship, but there will be no knowledge that you're gaining, right? You're just doing it for the certificate. You can do it, but then there is no knowledge that you will be gaining. Okay. I'll suggest you to pay some attention and learn something during that particular part. Okay. So if you guys have any questions or queries, you can reach out on this particular WhatsApp number and we'll be helping you guys out with the same. And we'll be meeting tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.